In a quiet village, far from the city lights, there lived a boy named Aarav. Life had not been kind to him. His clothes were worn, his school books were old, and many nights he slept with hunger as his companion. Money was always short, and comfort was something he only saw in other people's homes. But inside Aarav lived something powerful, an idea of a future different from his present. He dreamed of building a life that would lift his family out of struggle. Whenever he spoke about his dreams, people smiled mockingly. A boy who worries about tomorrow's meal should not dream about tomorrow's success, they said. Their words cut deep. But Aarav refused to let them decide his worth. He believed that circumstances were temporary, but belief could last forever. One evening, as he sat beside a flowing stream, lost in thought, an elderly teacher passed by and noticed his troubled face. "Why do you carry such weight in your eyes, my son?" the teacher asked. Aarav replied softly, "Everyone tells me my dreams are too big for someone like me. They say poverty decides my limits." The teacher said nothing. Instead, he handed Aarav a small mirror. "Look," he said. "I see myself," Aarav replied. "Look again," the teacher said, beyond the tired face. As Aarav stared deeper, he felt something stir inside him, determination mixed with pain. "That strength you feel," the teacher said, "is your inner fire. Many people let the world extinguish it. If you protect it with effort and discipline, it will guide you when life is darkest." He continued, "People will try to cloud your vision. They'll make you doubt yourself. Clean that mirror daily, with action, not words." Aarav carried that lesson with him. From that day, he used every moment wisely. He studied whenever he could. He learned from failures instead of fearing them. He aimed higher than just passing exams. He aimed to change his family's future. Life did not become easy. His mother often fell ill, and medicine was expensive. His father worked endlessly in the fields, returning home exhausted with little reward. So Aarav worked harder. He attended school by day. In the evenings, he helped at a roadside stall. On weekends, he assisted local workers to learn practical skills. At night, under a weak bulb, he studied while the village slept. Sleep, comfort, and ease were sacrifices he made without complaint. Years passed. Using the skills he learned, Aarav started fixing small electronic items from his home. He saved carefully. Slowly, a tiny shop opened. Then another opportunity followed. With honesty, patience, and long hours, his work earned trust. One shop became several. Soon, he launched his own small brand. The same people who once doubted him now respected his journey. His mother received proper medical care. His father finally rested. One day, the old teacher returned. Aarav greeted him with gratitude. The teacher smiled and said, "The world teaches poor children to think small. But those who think beyond fear rewrite their fate. Wealth begins in vision, not in pockets. And so remember this: your background does not define your destination. Your struggles are not your limits. The moment you dare to believe bigger, that is where your next chapter begins. Start today.